Alright guys, we're going to be installing a TJM Lift Kit on this Tacoma. Boom, let's do it. We're going to change out the rear leaf springs and struts, and then we're going to move to the front. Perfect. Boom, shock is out. This is nice and cute. Look how small it is. It's just adorable. Alright, you need to remove the front bolt and the rear bolt. When the next is shackle, you bolts go right in between, hold down the leaf spring. After you get those done, out of there, then you take the leaf springs off. Be careful, they're heavy. But luckily, I work out. Why I like to install a full leaf pack? Because it's just designed right at the get-go to be for lifted trucks. The factory ones, a lot of people, they actually add a leaf. Add a leaf is just a helper leaf, and it gets tired, and after a while it'll just sag. So the biggest difference obviously is got one more leaf, and it's more bowed in, so you get that bow as a lift. Let's install it. What's happening here? You got 3 nuts on top, 14mm, 19 on the bottom of the shock. We're gonna remove one of the steering links so we can get the shock out of there. And that's the same process putting it in. Alright guys, what I got holding my hands is a TJM coilover package for a Tacoma or a 4Runner. Why we like to use these? Because look at the spring. You know, there's a thick spring and then it goes thinner and thinner and thinner and more winds. That's called a progressive spring. What that does, when you're riding, just like within an inch in the road, it's just utilizing the very thin spring. And then when you compress more, it's utilizing the thicker spring. So it's called
progressive.
Progressive, thank you. Alright guys, so we're done with most of the suspension, but key factor is when you have all the new components on, you don't want to tighten the bushings because otherwise it's going to bind up and break. So we're going to put all the tires on, wheels, set it down its weight, and then torque the suspension. We got the truck down, and we're gonna go just take a quick spin around the parking lot, come back and re-torque everything. Alright guys, we're done with the lift kit. It took us around 4 hours to do, and there it is. And next up, I think will be bigger tires and everything else. Alright guys, you can purchase this lift kit on our website. The link is in the description below, so click on it and be lifted, my friends.